From January 3rd to 4th, 2025, several significant events took place around the world, with the most notable being a snowstorm and shooting in Washington, D.C., as well as a massive car accident in Kazakhstan due to a severe blizzard. In northern Washington, D.C., more than 20 inches of snow fell. A powerful snowstorm covered the region, leading to significant weather complications and traffic disruptions. Meteorologists forecast that the snowfall will continue for several more days, potentially causing icy rain. Residents of the district and surrounding areas faced hazardous travel conditions as the ice made roads slippery, and the large amount of snow complicated the work of municipal services. Unfortunately, on January 3rd, 2025, during the peak of the snowstorm, a tragic event occurred in northeast Washington. Armed assailants opened fire on a group of people in the street, resulting in the death of one man and injuries to 5 others, including 2 children aged 9 and 12. Meanwhile, in Kazakhstan, on the Astana-Petropavlovsk highway, a massive traffic accident occurred due to a severe blizzard, involving 95 vehicles. The blizzard caused significant damage, making the roads dangerous for drivers. Kazakhstan's road services are working around the clock, trying to clear the debris and ensure safe travel. On site, 22 combined road machines and 2 tractors are constantly working to evacuate the damaged vehicles. As a result of the accident, 2 people were injured and taken to the hospital. The police and the national road company Kazakhstan confirmed that the Astana-Petropavlovsk highway was closed to traffic on the morning of January 3rd to prevent further accidents and ensure the safety of road users. Despite the tireless efforts of road services, traffic on the highway remains restricted due to the severe weather conditions.
Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My team and I work hard for you, analyzing all weather-related events so you are always up to date with the latest news.